4.1.11 Surds. For Leaving Cert Maths, higher level only, this video was produced by the UCD Math Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. So, a surd is a number in the form root of x that cannot be written as a rational number. And we can remove a square root in an equation by squaring both sides. So let's look at an example. Solve the root of 2x plus 3 plus 2 equals 3x plus 4. So what we want to do first is we want to bring anything that's not a surd to the right, because when we square it'll get very messy otherwise. So let's subtract a 2 from both sides, and I get the root of 2x plus 3 equals 3x plus 2. Now we want to get rid of the surd, so let's square both sides. Then on the left, the square cancels the square root sign. I've got 2x plus 3. And on the right, that's 3x plus 2 to be squared. So that's 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Now it looks like I'm going to get a quadratic equation. So let's bring everything to the left. So I subtract minus 9x squared. There's also a minus 12x from both sides. So 2x minus 12x is minus 10x. And 3 minus 4 is minus 1 equals 0. And now I want to solve or factorize this quadratic first. It's probably easiest to first multiply across by minus 1, and then the factors turn out to be 9x plus 1 and x plus 1. And that's equal to 0 when you multiply them. So the first case, 9x plus 1 equals 0, therefore x equals minus 1 over 9, or the second case, x plus 1 equals 0, so x is minus 1. Now with a surd, I need to check my answers. So I need to check that the left-hand side in fact equals the right-hand side when I sub in my proposed solutions. So firstly, let's test x equals minus 1 over 9. The left-hand side is root of 2x plus 3 plus 2. So subbing in minus 1 over 9 for x, I get the root of minus 2 over 9 plus 3 plus 2. So that's the root of 25 over 9 plus 2. We always take the positive value in these cases, so it's 5 over 3 plus 2, which is 11 over 3. And the right-hand side, 3 times minus 1 over 9 plus 4 becomes minus 1 over 3 plus 4, which is also 11 over 3. And that's equal to the left-hand side. So x equals minus 1 over 9 is a solution. Now let's check our second value, x equals minus 1. The left-hand side, subbing it in, I get the root of 2 times minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. So that's the root of minus 2 plus 3 plus 2. That's the root of 1 plus 2, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. And the right-hand side, 3 times minus 1 plus 4 is minus 3 plus 4, which is 1, which is not equal to 3, which was what we got on the left. So x equals minus 1 is not a solution. Therefore, we can say x equals minus 1 over 9 is the only valid solution. So when doing surds, don't forget you always have to check that your answers are valid solutions.